If your YouTube Shorts are stuck at 312 views, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to take a dead video and turn it into a viral one, using nothing but SEO. No re-uploading, no hacks, just smart keyword strategy. This is the same method creators use to go from a few hundred views to over 10,000. And you can start doing it today. Let's dive in. First, go to Shorts SEO. I've attached a link in the description below. Sign into your account, and on your dashboard, click Keyword Research. This will open the keyword research page. Here you can type the keyword of the short you're interested in making. Say you're thinking of making ASMR YouTube Shorts. You type and search ASMR as a start. When the search is complete, you'll see different keyword data on the page. Let's break this down. The first box shows your keyword's monthly searches. The higher the monthly searches, the better. This number looks good. The second box shows competition level. Ideally, what you want is a keyword with low to medium competition. This keyword has high competition, therefore it isn't good. The last box shows the keyword's trend direction. That's a prediction of whether people will keep searching for it or not. For this, we want either a stable trend direction or upwards trend direction. This keyword has a stable trend direction, which is okay. But since it's got a high competition score, we'll skip it and go look at some related search queries and keywords that people have been searching for to narrow down our keyword for better results. We'll pick ASMR food and see what we'll get. ASMR food has medium competition, downward trend direction, and a less than satisfying amount of monthly searches. Let's take a look at the related queries and keywords to see if we can further narrow our search. Let's try ASMR food Korean. This keyword has high monthly searches, low competition, and a stable trend direction. We've found an excellent keyword to use. We can also check the search interest graph to see how it's performed over time. Lastly, we'll see the top performing shorts section to see what kind of shorts under this keyword are performing best. This will give us an idea of how we should make our short. And just like that, we've got a great keyword to make our next shorts video go viral. Thanks for watching.